In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access preferences in Slack so you can customize your workspace exactly the way you want. Slack preferences control everything from notifications and themes to accessibility and privacy settings, so knowing where to find them is essential if you use Slack daily for work or collaboration. This quick tutorial works for both beginners and experienced users who just want a refresher. Before we dive in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser or desktop app and go to the Slack homepage. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to change your settings. Once Slack loads, you'll see your channels, messages, and navigation panel. This is your main Slack dashboard, and all preferences are accessed from here. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile icon with your photo or initials. This icon gives you access to account-level options, including status, availability, and settings. Click on your profile icon to open the menu. When the menu opens, you'll see several options like Set a Status, Pause Notifications, and View Profile. From this list, click on Preferences. This is where Slack stores all of your personal customization options. Once you click Preferences, a new window or tab will open depending on whether you're using Slack in a browser or the desktop app. Now you're inside the Slack Preferences panel. On the left-hand side, you'll see different categories such as notifications, sidebar, themes, messages and media, accessibility, privacy and visibility, and more. Each of these sections controls a different part of your Slack experience. You can now click on any preference category of your choice and adjust the settings according to your needs. For example, in notifications, you can control how often Slack alerts you and on which devices. In themes, you can switch between light mode, dark mode, or custom themes. In accessibility, you can adjust text size and contrast to make Slack easier to use. Take a moment to explore these options and fine-tune Slack so it works better for you. Any changes you make are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. Once you're done, you can simply close the Preferences window and continue using Slack as usual. And that's it! You've successfully accessed preferences in Slack and learned how to adjust them to match your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.